As we step into 2024, let's rewind the clock and embrace the thrifty ways of yesteryear. Today, I bring you 25 old-fashioned frugal living tips that still hold up in our modern world. So grab your notepads and let's dive into the timeless wisdom that can help us save more this year. Tip: cloth over paper. Grandma always chose cloth napkins over paper. Reusable, washable, and they add a touch of elegance to any meal. Tip 2. Candlelight evenings. Just once a week, turn off the lights and dine by candlelight. It's not just romantic, it saves electricity too. Tip 3. Homemade cleaning solutions. Vinegar and baking soda were grandma's go-to cleaning agents. Effective, non-toxic. Tip 4. Needle and yarn. Learn to knit or crochet. Making your own blankets, scarves, and mittens can be a relaxing and cost-effective hobby. Barter and trade. For money-back guarantees, there was bartering. Trade skills or items with neighbors and friends. Tip 6. Walk more, drive less. Grandma walked to the store, post office, everywhere. Embrace walking for health and savings. Pip says, grow your greens. Start a small vegetable garden. Fresh produce at your fingertips, and it's incredibly rewarding. Tip 8. Homemade jams and preserves. Canning seasonal fruits means delicious, inexpensive spreads all year round. Sewing skills. Basic sewing skills can save you a fortune on clothing repairs and alterations. Potluck dinners. Host a potluck dinner instead of dining out. It's a fun way to enjoy a variety of dishes while saving money. Tip 11. Bee treatments. Oatmeal masks, olive oil hair treatments. Grandma's beauty rituals were all natural and cost-effective. Tip 12. Buying with friends. Team up with friends or neighbors to buy in bulk and share the savings. Tip 13. Your reusable containers. Use glass jars and containers for storage instead of buying plastic ones. Tip 14. Natural remedies. Before rushing to the pharmacy, consider natural remedies for minor ailments. Hand-me-downs. Embrace hand-me-downs. They're not just economical, they're environmentally friendly. Sticks, repair, don't replace. Fixing appliances and furniture can often be more cost-effective than buying new. Homemade bread and pastries. Baking your own bread and treats is cheaper and yummier. Tip 18. Solder conservation. Collect rainwater for gardening and fix leaky taps to save on water bills. Community events. Attend free community events for entertainment instead of expensive outings. Tip 20. Efficient bulbs. Switch to LED bulbs. They last longer and use less electricity. Tip 21. Pre-loved over new. Shop at thrift stores and garage sales. It's amazing what you can find. Tip 22. Meal planning. Plan your meals to reduce waste and avoid impulse buys. Preserve and freeze. Free surplus fruits and veggies to enjoy off-season. Tip 24. Public transport adventures. Use public transport when possible. It's cheaper and less stressful than driving. I-225. Gratitude journal. End each day by jotting down things you're grateful for. True wealth is an appreciation, not accumulation. And there you have it, 25 old-fashioned tips to lead a frugal, fulfilling life in 2024. Remember, it's not just about pinching pennies. It's about rediscovering the simplicity and sustainability of the past. Here's to living a richer life with less.